Hey guys, showing you how to insert the shirring panels into your garments. Had a few questions on my last video. So I have my lining and the outside of my fabric here and my shirring piece. So I'm just pinning that to the side back piece of the outer layer, making sure that all the strings are out of the way into the seam allowance. And you can see right here, I'm just lining up my little notch to the top edge of that shirring piece, so everything fits nice and perfectly. Now we just need to sew down at a 1/2 inch seam allowance, making sure to keep all of the threads out of the way. Now we're just going to trim off all of the elastic thread pieces. Don't trim them too short, just like I said in my last video, you don't want those to be sucked back into the fabric once you stretch it out, but now that it's sewn, it definitely keeps it locked in more. So now we're going to the iron just to press that lining piece in so that it's going to encase our seam allowance from the outside fabric. And I'm going to hand stitch this, but you can also use a machine. I just wanted a nice clean finish, but here I am just pinning that shut so everything looks nice and neat, and all of those little pieces of thread are encased in between the lining layers. Now you could just serge these off if you didn't have a lining, but I do like how clean it looks when you have a lining to cover everything up. So I'm going to close my lining here with a slip stitch, just gives it a nice clean finish. You don't have any stitching showing on the outside, so I just really like the look of that. And here's how it looks when it's all finished. If you missed the video on shirring, please be sure to check that one out. It is in the pinned video section. And thank you so much for watching.